As a result of the NRM government's deliberate efforts to expand the economic base of the country, a strong foundation has been built for rapid economic growth and socio-economic transformation. In 1986, when the NRM government took administration of the country, the size of our economy was equivalent to $1.5 billion. That's what it was in 1986. Today, our economy is about $49.4 billion. In other words, the economy, this is if you use the exchange rate method, in other words, the economy has expanded by more than 30 times since 1986. The economic growth rate for this year is projected at 5.5% in real terms, compared to 4.7% last financial year, 2021-2022. Over the next 5 years, the economy is projected to grow at an average rate of 6.57% per year.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.